Oh, you felt the heat today, didn't you? It was our hottest day of the summer so far. We'll have another one of those tomorrow. But then I'm tracking some changes, including some stormy weather unsettling midweek. From the WRUF Weather Center, I'm Jeff Huffman. Check out this time lapse I captured today on the camera looking east over Century Tower right there. Big thunderstorms developed east of town, but they did not move into Gainesville. The Atlantic sea breeze is not moving as far inland now because the wind pattern is starting to shift. It's going to come more out of the Gulf of Mexico, and that's in response to a developing area of low pressure in the southern plains. Now, the jet stream is a little far to the south for this time of year. Normally, it's up a little more further to the north, and it's buckling and diving even further south as we move into the Wednesday, Thursday time frame. And there's also an upper level low spinning out here over the Gulf of Mexico, and all this counterclockwise motion is going to pull up some tropical moisture. It'll really start to deepen late tomorrow and then especially Wednesday and Thursday. Now here's what I'm watching. Tuesday is going to be hot, folks. Later arriving thunderstorms means that heat index could be above 100 for several hours. And then Wednesday we could have some stronger thunderstorms, wind and hail a possibility with some severe weather. Thursday, because of all the moisture, that's not going to take long for that Gulf sea breeze to ignite, and we could have some earlier arriving showers and thunderstorms Thursday with some heavier rain. Speaking of early arriving, the heat and humidity. Before some of you even head out the door, Tuesday it's going to be rough. 91 that heat index on Heat Tracker in Gainesville at 10 a.m. It'll be approaching and probably exceeding 100 through the early afternoon hours, and then depending on where those thunderstorms are, there will be a little bit of relief for arriving around 7 or 8 o'clock or so in the evening hours Tuesday. Here is the timing of those storms on Future Track. We will be largely rain-free through the mid-afternoon hours, but if you look closely, you can see the Gulf sea breeze marching inland. Here comes the Atlantic sea breeze, and there will be a collision late in the day. This is 7 o'clock, and we could have some type of organized thunderstorm complex moving north right up I-75. A situation like this can sometimes deliver a pretty strong storm to Gainesville well into the evening hours, so I'll keep an eye on that. Then on Wednesday, the situation becomes clear that we will have big thunderstorms because of all the moisture rotating around this upper level area of low pressure. Here it is Thursday. It's going to keep the off and on heavy rain going, and then by Friday and Saturday we should start to see conditions return to more normal for this time of year, which is those spotty afternoon thunderstorms with the heat and humidity. Total rainfall amounts in the next 5 days. Most of the peninsula will see some good soaking rain, especially South Florida, where more than 3 inches could fall in some locales. That's good news for them. They're in a bit of a drought. Here's your updated 6-day. The heat index near 100 by lunchtime, and then the spotty thunderstorms come in late, probably closer to 7 or 8 o'clock here in Gainesville with the stronger storm activity. And then strong storms likely Wednesday, off and on heavy rain Thursday. We dry out a bit and heat back up as we approach the weekend. Track those storms with us at WRUFweather.com or on Twitter at WRUFweather.